we will see the deductions under angle between the two lines. Now, first one, we know that cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. If you want to find out the angle in terms of sine or cos, tan, you can see sin theta is equal to a1 b2 minus a2 b1 divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. Even if you want, you can find in terms of tan theta also. So tan theta is equal to a1 b2 minus a2 b1 divided by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Now please do remember one point here, this is purely angle. If you want acute angle, you can use modulus for all these three. Acute angle means less than 90, always positive. Angle means it can be positive or negative, means it can be acute or obtuse angle. Now deduction number 2. Here condition for the lines to be parallel. Now you observe that condition for parallel lines means theta is equal to 0 degrees. Now cos 0 is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. We know that cos 0 equal to 1. So cross multiplication, root of a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Now you simplify this equation by squaring on both sides. a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 whole square. Now simplify this equation further. It is a1 square a2 square, a1 square b2 square, b1 square a2 square, b1 square b2 square is equal to a1 square a2 square, b1 square b2 square plus 2a1 a2 b1 b2. Now you observe a1 square a2 square gets cancelled, b1 square b2 square gets cancelled. Now bring this term to the LHS part. That is a1 square b2 square minus a2 square b1 square minus 2a1 a2 b1 b2 is equal to 0. Now you can see, is it in the format of a square plus b square minus 2ab? It is a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square is equal to 0. That means a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equal to 0. a1 b2 is equal to a2 b1. That is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Now this is the ideal condition for lines to be parallel. Suppose you want lines to be identical. Now deduction number 3. Lines are identical if the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. If it is equal to c1 by c2, the lines are identical. Not equal to c1 by c2, the lines are parallel. Now the fourth one, lines are perpendicular means theta is equal to 90 degrees. Now apply same here. Cos 90 degrees is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. We know that cos 90 is 0. So 0 into denominator is always 0. Will become a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. So we are going to apply condition for parallel lines as a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. That is ratio of x coefficients is equal to ratio of y coefficients in both the straight lines. And condition for perpendicular lines is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0.